to my head. When I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what...
Hi Mariel, congratulations po and good luck po sa bago mong journey. God bless.
Hello po Ate Mariel, congratulations po. May your wedding be filled with love, laughter, and beautiful memories. I am thrilled for you as embark on this new journey to the USA, and I hope the transition brings you joy, success, and happy moments. Wishing you a bright future ahead full of love and wonderful adventures. Congratulations po ulit.
Hello Mariel, kamusta? Congratulations and best wishes. Good luck sa journey mo and ingat palagi.
Hi Mariel! Kamusta ka na? So ako to, si Marie. So, balita ko ikakasal ka na daw. So, congratulations and best wishes. And sana maging maganda at enjoy mo lang yung journey mo dyan papunta sa US. Again, congratulations!
Hi, Ma'am Mariel, gusto lang kitang batiin ang congratulations. Lahat ng maganda para sa iyo ay hinihiling ko sa itaas at kung nasan ka man ma'am, sana lagi kang mag-ingat. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Kung di mo ako matandaan ma'am, ako po yung nakalaro mo dati sa Nantes. Sobrang saya mo kalaro at talaga namang may potential ka. Kung saan ka man magpunta, sana laging mong tandaan na may isang Darwin Tala na nakasuporta sa iyo. Maraming salamat po. Ayun.
Hi Ate Mariel! Congratulations nga pala sa wedding mo. Ako kasi yung, if you don't know me, ako yung niligtas po nung bagyong Tino. And I'm so thankful na, happy ka na. And also thankful ako na niligtas mo kasi working na ako.
Hello Mariel! Congratulations! Sana mag-ingat ka sa iyong pupuntahan. Malusog ang iyong pangangatawan.
Hi, Best Mariel! Taroy, magpapakasal na siya. Congrats, Best, and ingat.
Saki ka dyan.
Good luck to your new journey.
Yes, US is...
US is waving. I'm happy for you, Best.
Yes, best. Bye, best.
Hi, Bessie! Congratulations! Nawat bigyan ka ng maraming baby sa new chapter ng buhay mo. Nawat sana maging maayos ang pagpunta mo sa US. Nawat magkita-kita tayo sa US. Congratulations and I love you so much!
Hi Mariel! Good luck to your new journey and new beginnings. So sana makuha mo lahat ng pinapangarap mo, and I'm here and we are here to support you always. We love you so much and I missed you. I can't wait to see you in US. Love you!
And it does